Instead of just having your work in Creator, you're going to have 4 works, your own plus the 3 works that you have been assigned to peer review. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to find your way between them. You can always go back to a specific project by going to notifications. So here you can see my 3 feedback requests. They're not numbered, they have the same title. That's potentially confusing. We do it to simplify the work for the authors, but you can call the first one number 1, number 2, and number 3, and then make sure you complete all 3. Then your draft has been released for feedback, and initially here you should see the work request, which will take you to your own work. So if you want to go back to your own work, find your work request and click on View Work. If you want to go to one of the feedback requests, click on View Work for the one that you want to continue or complete peer review for. So let's go to this one, for example, where I have started peer review, but I have not finished it. And you do not need to do all of the peer review in one sitting. You can actually review one criteria for each work, for example. The first way to navigate between the creator projects that you've been assigned and the one that you yourself have submitted is using notifications. The second way is to use the Works panel. So let's go see what is happening in the Works panel. And here you will see that in fact you have several works and that you can navigate between them. This is similar to but different from Structure. In Structure, you're navigating inside your own plan. This is just like files on your hard disk and opening up different ones. So if you want to just open one up, if it says Creator Anonymous, this is a work that you need to peer review. So here, if it has your name on it, I'm called Tutorial Course Team in this tutorial, then this is your own plan. So if I want to go to my own plan, I'll just click on my own plan in the Works panel, and here I'm back in my plan. If I want to go to one of the works that I've been assigned to peer review, I'll click on them and then be able to go back to peer reviewing by clicking on Feedback and Review Work.